would have believed that Nurse Brown was telling a lie. If Taya did not come out and say yes, the same time I was on the call, I called her and said, girl, please, this is what they were planning to do, because I genuinely could not do it. I'm a nurse. I cannot be a part of something that is criminal. I cannot be a part of something that's going to bring down somebody. I could not be doing that. And I totally forget it. You know, when I reminded about it is when Taya went on Bling Alive. That's when I remember everything that's coming back to me. I totally forget that she orchestrates such thing. Right? I totally forget. So, when me go over Dawn live now, when Dawn call me a box whore with TikTok lawyer and she bring me down. So when I go over her line to defend myself and to speak my story, one of our followers, Sani, started to chastise me. Oh, your TikTok lawyer don't have to show her face and whatever. She's such a... So I tell you know what I said to them? I said, F you, and I'm not coming back on your live. Right? I said, F you, and I'm not coming back on your live. And when I said that, I blocked Dawn. I blocked Sani. I blocked Martin. I blocked TikTok lawyer. I blocked all of them. Because I'm not going to sit in the same space with you guys when you guys are not good people. After I discovered that you guys are not good people, I decided to block you. And that's what I did to Dawn. I blocked Dawn because I realized that she was not genuine. I'm not going to be sitting down in people's face as hypocrites and then you're there calling me nicknames and